Hey there, future homeowners. Today we're diving into one of the VA loan's most intriguing twists, the joint VA loan. What is it? Why would you need it? And what's different about it? We'll break it down, make it fun, and answer questions like, can I use a VA loan with someone who's not my spouse? Spoiler alert, yes you can, but there's a catch or two, so let's roll. So a joint VA loan allows a qualified veteran to buy a home with another party who isn't their spouse. Maybe it's your battle buddy, your sibling, a parent, or even your college roommate who still owes you for that pizza you split in 2013.
Where's my pizza?
Sound good? Well, not so fast. The VA has rules, and Uncle Sam isn't about to let you run wild with this. Before we move on, it's important to know why we even do this. We do a joint VA loan because the veteran would not have enough income to qualify for the loan him or herself. Otherwise, there's no reason for it. As long as they have entitlement, they'll just buy the home themselves. So this means that we'll be getting full income and credit documentation for both borrowers. It does not need to be evenly split. The total income just needs to be enough to accomplish the mission of qualifying. Here's the deal. A joint VA loan can involve 1, 2 veterans pooling their benefit, or 2, a veteran and a non-veteran, like your fiance, best friend, or parent. But there's a twist. Let's start with an example. Let's say I'm a veteran and I'm teaming up with my buddy John to buy a $400,000 house. John isn't a veteran, but he's got decent credit and a dream to own a home with me. The VA guarantees my half of the loan, $200,000, but they don't have that same guarantee for his half. So they're gonna ask for a down payment to cover it. Let's start with the VA guarantee. What is this all about? The VA guarantee means the VA promises to cover 25% of the loan amount if the borrower defaults. This reduces the risk for lenders, allowing veterans to buy a home with no down payment or PMI. This is different than the funding fee. On the other hand, the funding fee is a one-time fee that helps keep the VA loan program running without costing taxpayers. It's a percentage of the loan amount, and the rate depends on factors like your military service, down payment size, and whether it's your first or subsequent use of the VA loan. The fee can be rolled into the loan or paid up front. And some veterans, like those with service-connected disabilities, may be exempt. But I digress. Back to our example. The lender wants 25% of the part that isn't guaranteed by the VA. John's half of the loan is $200,000, so 25% of that is $50K. Yes, that's a lot. But remember, in the big picture, $50K works out to be about 12.5% of the purchase price and around 14% of the total loan amount, $350,000.
That's a sweet deal.
So why would you do this? For a couple of reasons, and we'll always compare the conventional loan options before we commit to anything. Reason number 1, we're putting less than 20% down on a home with no PMI. That's generally enough of a reason right there. Reason number 2, VA rates are lower than conventional products. This is because of that 25% guarantee, so lenders can apply better interest rate pricing. And lastly, once you get access to the VA loan, you get access to the biggest VA perk and one of the most powerful refinance options in the industry. The no income, no appraisal, VA interest rate reduction and refinance loan, or the VA IRRRL. Quick tip before you and your partner in home ownership run off to Zillow or Redfin, remember, credit matters. Non-veterans still need decent credit to impress the lender. And number 2, income counts. Both incomes will be considered, but the VA's residual income requirements still apply. So is a joint VA loan the right move for you? Maybe. It's like a group project. Awesome if everyone does their part, but a nightmare if someone flakes.
It was a nightmare.
Choose your co-borrower wisely. Read the fine print and talk to a lender like me who knows the drill. So that's the skinny on joint VA loans. It's an amazing product and definitely a huge benefit for my veterans that need a little extra boost in this expensive world of real estate. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share with anyone that needs to see it, and subscribe for more VA loan hacks, mortgage tips, and also so that you get notified of my future videos. As always, thank you for your service, happy house hunting, and I'll see you on the next video.
Goodbye.